Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Discord not opening on PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First step, what I suggest to do here is on search, look for Discord app, right click on it, open file location, then right click again, go to properties, then you need to go to compatibility and make sure to disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator, apply OK, and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then you need to do this. You need to go on search, then write run, and then here you need to write %appdata%. Then you need to go to Discord folder, and then you need to delete cache files. So the first one is a cache file, then it's GPU cache, and then you need to delete cache, code cache, right? So just delete these folders. If you can't delete the folder, you need to open up Task Manager, then look for Discord and all the tasks related to Discord, right? Right click and task, right click and task, and then you can delete cache files, code cache, and then you need to delete GPU cache here. And if it's still not working, then go and search, go and look for Discord, right click on it, open file location, then right click again, open file location again, and then just press on the blank space here and copy the path, right? Then you can close this, then go to search Windows Defender Firewall. On Windows Defender Firewall, select allow an app or feature to Windows Defender Firewall, then select change settings, then allow another app, then here press browse, and then here you just need to paste the path, right? And hit enter, then select update file, press open, add, right? And make sure private and public things here is selected, apply, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, open up CMD, right click on it as admin, and then here you need to write a command. You just need to write cfc /scan now. And then you need to wait until the scanning process is done, and it will tell you if you have some corrupted files related to Discord or not, right? You just need to wait. And after it finishes, if still Discord did not open, what I suggest you to do here is to go to installed apps on search, look for Discord. Here, look for Discord, then press on the 3 dots, uninstall, then open up browser. And on browser, you just need to go to discord.com/download and download for your operating system and reinstall Discord again. And that's basically it. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.